All right. Welcome, everybody. My name is Ms. Borkowski, and I am one of the seventh grade English teachers at Lanier. So here you will see a photo of me as well as my seventh grade yearbook photo back from when I was a student at Lanier. So I can tell you from experience that you all are surrounded by a wonderful community here at Lanier, and you have so much to look forward to over these next 2 years. Let me go ahead and introduce the rest of the English team. Starting on the top left, we have Mrs. Al-Mukhtar, Mrs. Bowden, Mrs. Boyer, Mr. Curran, Mrs. Dedham, Miss Harding, and Miss Kojic. This is a brief description for English 7, which we will get into more detail on the next slide. So the curriculum framework that we use is called concept-based curriculum, or CBC for short. And this type of curriculum is driven by big ideas and real-world application. So some of the big ideas and themes that we are going to focus on this year include community, identity, challenge, appearance, connection, and growth. There's also going to be a unique set of spiraling skills that we will focus on, which are listed here. So some of these skills may look familiar to you already, which is the idea behind spiraling curriculum, right? It's that you keep revisiting these core skills over a school year and across grades to continue building upon your previous knowledge. Next, we have some essential distance learning platforms. So the first is Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, or BBCU for short, and that is where we will meet for our live English class sessions. Then we have Google Classroom, which is where you will find assignments, turn in assignments, and receive feedback on them, and be able to review materials and resources from previous class sessions. And then lastly, we have SIS, which is the platform that we use as a gradebook, and that is where you can see your current grades across classes. So these are some interactive distance learning resources that we used in the spring. This list does not even cover them all, but it is some of the big ones that we used. One that I want to point out is Pear Deck. Pear Deck allows teachers to make any presentation interactive. It's really a great tool, and it's something that students in the spring really loved using. And so we definitely plan to continue with that in the fall. We also have Flipgrid, BrainPop, No Red Ink, Edpuzzle, and Kahoot. And then this is a list of ebook and audiobook resources. So again, I didn't cover them all. This is very brief, and I don't want to go into too much detail here since Mrs. Wells-Williams is our expert. But I will say that the great thing about these resources is that they are offered at no cost to you all as students. And even though we are going to start the year virtually, these tools will still allow us to engage in book talks and read alouds and literature circles and things like that. So that just about covers it. I hope that you all are enjoying orientation so far. We are so excited to have you join the Lanier family, and we look forward to working with you this school year.